The president went to Nyanza, he met the governors, even from different parties. He met the senator, the MPs, they discussed development. Many times Nairobi is forgotten. People think Nairobi has no, owners. But, the people of Nairobi are the owners. And so I was asking the president, please, let's have our leadership. Nairobi is mixed politically. I'm the governor and DG is the deputy. We're on UDA. The senator is ODM, the women rep. We have MPs from different parties. We have Wiper. We have Chama cha Kazi, in the county assembly. And so Nairobi, you cannot run a divisive political philosophy. We need everybody on board. Politics is over. We are working for everyone, whether they voted for us, whether they didn't vote for us, whether they are in Kenya Kwanza or in Azimio or with Wajakoya, whoever it is. If you're a person in Nairobi, expect us to serve you without any discrimination.
There are those who are saying you should have absolute loyalty to Kenya Kwanza because you came in under UDA. But there are those who are saying you're leaning more towards Azimio also at the same time.
I'm 100% loyal to my party. And that's why I'm explaining the philosophy of our party. Okay. Our party's philosophy is one of inclusivity. It is one of politics is not enmity. It is one of we don't have constant, unending political duels when we should actually be serving the people. Okay. And that is why our party leader is leading from the front. When you see him with Orengo, does it mean he's not loyal to UDA? When you see him with Gladys Wanga, does it mean the president is not loyal to Kenya Kwanza? So we are following the philosophy of my political mentor, William Ruto, and embracing everybody and working with them.
All right.
And that is how we shall do it. Okay. And we're telling our young people that, politics is not an enmity. And I said the other day, these young people who will go for this rally or that rally, they're there because they're hungry. They want opportunities. In Nairobi, hakuna njaa ya Mkikuyu tofauti na ya Mluya. The pain Mama Njeri feels when she can't feed a child is the same as Mama Akinyi. Okay. We have more that unites us than divides us. And that is a position we stand on and we hold true, and that is Nairobi for you.
All right.